ManyChat is a popular chatbot platform, but you might need to cancel your Pro subscription. This video will guide you through canceling your subscription, stopping future billing, and, most importantly, keeping your data safe and accessible. As of December 2025, the process is straightforward, but understanding the steps is crucial. First, log into your ManyChat account at ManyChat.com. Once you're in the dashboard, navigate to Settings, then select Billing and Subscription. This section controls your subscription status and allows you to initiate the cancellation process. In the Billing and Subscription settings, you will find the Cancel Subscription option. Click this and you'll be presented with choices regarding your data. Ensure you select the option to Keep Data. This is crucial to avoid losing your valuable chat logs, bot flows, and user interactions. After choosing to keep your data, ManyChat will prompt you to export it. You typically have the option to export in JSON or CSV format. Choose the format that best suits your needs. JSON format is great for developers needing structured data, while CSV is ideal for spreadsheet applications like Excel or Google Sheets. Confirm your cancellation via the email you receive from ManyChat. This step finalizes the process and stops future billing. Upon cancellation, billing stops immediately, but access to Pro features will continue until the end of your current billing cycle. ManyChat now offers a 7-day grace period where you can reactivate your subscription without data loss. After this, data retention is subject to Meta's privacy policies, requiring explicit consent. Important considerations for canceling your ManyChat Pro subscription include data portability and potential issues. Data is stored on ManyChat servers, so understanding access levels is crucial. After cancellation, free tier access allows basic viewing of your data, but any Pro-specific data requires manual export to avoid loss. Be aware of potential delays in billing cessation due to regional payment processors. EU users may experience additional holds related to GDPR compliance. If you encounter any issues, contact ManyChat support. Their response times are generally under 24 hours. Always back up your data before canceling your ManyChat Pro subscription. Export all chat logs, bot flows, and user interactions to prevent permanent loss. ManyChat stores data on AWS servers, but you retain ownership under Meta's terms. Incomplete exports can lead to data loss, including permanent loss of custom bot flows and customer interactions. ManyChat may delete inactive data after 90 days if not exported. Consider downgrading to the free tier instead of canceling. This preserves your data without full cancellation, but limits Pro features like unlimited bots and advanced analytics. Remember the Reddit example from 2023. A user forgot to export data before canceling, losing custom bot flows permanently. ManyChat support couldn't recover the data. Plan ahead and back up your data before making any subscription changes to avoid costly mistakes. Looking ahead, SaaS cancellations are on the rise, fueled by economic challenges and the rapid adoption of AI-powered platforms that provide more efficient alternatives. Industry experts increasingly stress the importance of data portability, with evolving regulations likely to push platforms like ManyChat toward better export capabilities and user-friendly data management tools. Renowned tech analyst Ben Thompson has observed that ManyChat's deep integration with Meta's ecosystem contributes to lower churn rates by delivering enhanced value through interconnected services. Make sure you understand these emerging trends when deciding if you need to cancel your ManyChat subscription.